Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello everybody, I am Dr. Rushali Nair. I am an Ayurveda doctor and a Nadi Vaidya. Today I am going to discuss how Ravana Nadi Pariksha can help you to assess the state of your immunity and guide you to improve your health. Ravana Nadi Pariksha is a powerful diagnostic tool used by Siddhas to read a person's vibratory frequency of body, mind and soul. These frequencies are read through doshas in various organs, tissues, chakras as well as Prakruti and Vikruti. A well-trained Nadi Vaidya can read the state of health of 12 organs, tissues and their functional efficiency in the form of their energy. Also, the health of chakras and their subtle positive effect on the body can be read successfully. Nadi Pariksha is a wonderful science which not only diagnose but also guide and helps to find a perfect remedy after the final conclusion. Now coming to Ayurveda, Ayurveda is merely not a healing system through herbs, but it empowers a person to improve his physical, spiritual and emotional energy, because the final aim of Ayurveda is to help a person to attain moksha. A true Vaidya can always guide you to take up this journey by helping you to integrate your energy with nature. Ayurveda believes that every human body has ability to heal itself, provided you choose to live in a state of harmony and you are consciously maintaining your energy integrated with nature. Let's understand what you mean by integrating your energy with nature. Let me try explaining again. All of you must be knowing that one of the powerful source of energy in the universe is the sun. As the sun rises, our physical and mental energy also starts becoming better. So Ayurveda recommends that we must wake up before sunrise. When the sun is at its peak during noon time, our energy is also very good. Our digestive fire is fantastic. So Ayurveda recommends that we must have the biggest meal of the day at this time. And when the sun sets, we start becoming dull. All of you or some of you must have noticed that you may get a bout of crying at this time. So we must take the last meal of the day during this time, and we should go to sleep within 2 to 3 hours after taking the dinner. In fact, our acharyas have said that if you follow this lifestyle, there are chances that you may not fall sick at all, or even if you fall sick, you will recover faster. Please understand that even for medicines to go in the system and work efficiently, it needs certain environment. There are no quick fixes when it comes to health and immunity. Ayurveda has mentioned about a biological substance called ojas, which has a significant correlation with our immune system. It is the essence of vitality and immunity. Modern medical science talk about the immune system that includes hemopoietic system, digestive system, nervous system and endocrine system. Whereas the concept of ojas includes all these immune system as well as gamma globulin, which maintains the immunity of the liver. There are two types of immunity. One is natural or inborn immunity and the second one is acquired immunity. For example, if you take vaccine for chickenpox or BCG, that is acquired immunity, which is not ojas. Ojas is body's natural resistance to fight infection. The strength of ojas is what going to decide whether the internal factor or external factor can create disease. On average, everybody is born with certain strength of ojas, certain strength of immunity. Let's see what are the factors that can diminish this strength of immunity. The first one is wrong combination of food, non-compatible food, wrong lifestyle, sleeping late, emotional issues, stress, anger and so on. I would like to specifically mention here about non-compatible foods, because for past 2 to 3 weeks my patients are coming with complaints of migraine, headaches, bloating, skin rashes, piles. When I ask them about their diet regime, most of them have introduced ginger, turmeric, pepper in a very excessive manner. Please understand that if you have a Pitta type constitution, then these herbs may not suit you at all. Second thing is, not every home remedy can suit all body type. There is nothing called one fits for all. Please take experts' advice before adopting any home remedy. As far as emotional issues are concerned, you can always take counseling session with experts, learn pranayamas that will teach you to get into meditative state and finally help you to resolve your emotional outbursts. As I have mentioned earlier, that Nadi Pariksha can read the health of organs, which can finally decide the strength of your immune system. So anybody who wish to stay healthy for a long time can take guidance from Nadi Pariksha, because today's world is the survival of the fittest. Stay fit, stay healthy and stay safe.